Alright y'all, so welcome back to the channel. So in this video I am gonna be harvesting peppers. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is harvest everything, get them to pull everything up, okay, because with the weather changing and stuff and what's on these things right now, they're not gonna do too much more. I mean, I could get them, but really I just don't feel like dealing with it because I want to get all my fall stuff in, and this is extra buckets and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead on and pick everything that I can and then see what we got and go from there. Also, I think I'm going to put my landscaping strips down to pull those tarps where they're supposed to, because I have some at the house. So yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm finna harvest the rest of the peppers, and as I harvest them, somebody gonna come behind me and pull them. Alright y'all, so I'm about to harvest some lettuce. Alright. I don't want to lose nothing. And I got a little bit lettuce I need to harvest. This right here, the way it's growing, weird. I should have did a harvest. But oh well. I'm getting it done now. I'm gonna have to get something out here to maybe stake my lettuce. Cause this is growing weird. It's leaning all over to the side. Okay, so I got that harvested. I think I can let that lettuce stay a little bit to where I'm ready to get it. I will come out here and clean around here probably tomorrow, and then stake these probably tomorrow. But I know I needed to harvest that, so that's some lettuce that I got. Okay, y'all, I got some okra that's on its last leg. I got some that's done dried. So I'm gonna take it because in here are seeds.
Did you want me to pull them up too?
Yeah.
Tell me which one.
Cool. Pull these two up. You can just toss them. Probably leave these. They doing really good. Watch your mouth.
I know.
You keep trying, you're coming up big.
Huh? Oh. Oh, y'all. My red burgundy okra is doing good. So I'm gonna leave it.
Like this one too? This green one right here?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Go get me, look. Them 2 bowls right there, them 2 white bowls, I bought them out. Alright y'all, so this is what I end up getting. I kept about 5 pepper plants that I'm gonna try to put in my greenhouse when it get cold, when we get close to having like a frost or something. I'm gonna try to have overwinter them, okay? Well, I kept more because I'm keeping like some of my ghost peppers and my habanero peppers too. So, but they'll stay out because we're not to that frost point or nothing like that yet, so they'll stay out. But this is what I got. Different type of peppers right here, habanero and ghost peppers right there. And y'all did not see this, but I harvested almost 40 eggs. It's 39 eggs, okay? Quail eggs, okay? Move summer. So ooh wee, yes. Right there is the lettuce and a couple okras. Like I say, these right here was drying out, so I'm gonna continue to let them dry. They ain't fully dry, but this is the lettuce that I got harvested, so I'm gonna have to get that all washed up and everything like that. And some okra, got some okra that's good or whatnot. They can get chopped up and thrown in something, okay? So yeah, find something to do with it. Woo! So I'm gonna end this video right here, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. I got more stuff to do out here in the garden, so y'all will be able to see all that because I am gonna film it. Hopefully it's motivating you to get your fall garden together, your winter garden together, and all that good stuff. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next one. If it's God's will, y'all be safe, okay? Bye.